Hello everyone. Welcome to the PR Software's YouTube channel. In today's lecture, I am going to discuss you about how to use the Bootstrap card concept. So basically, what is card and why we need this concept? Just we'll try to understand. So first, I'm going to Bootstrap website. First, I will show you guys. Then I will tell you manually how to create one by one concept. Card is basically this type of design, guys, where you will have image, you will have title, you will have description, and the buttons. So this, when you want to display some product or courses concept, then we will be required this thing. So how to create this, that I will tell you today. So to start with, again I will copy the first Bootstrap, go to the start, copy the Bootstrap page. This is the Bootstrap links. I will go to my PyCharm and I will paste it. Now rest of the things manually I will tell you one by one. So guys, to use that concept, we will be required the images. So what I did, I already copied the images. See, this is one image, this is two image. So I copied this image and the image width I have taken around 280 by into 180. So you can take any image related to size and you can use that image. Now to create the card, first what you have to do is you have to create the division tag, open and close. In this division, you write class as card. And this card width you have to set it. So I'm going to set width 18. So this width I'm going to set here. Now in this one, on the top, if you want the image, so I will write image src is equals to. So what is the source here? Which image you want? So I'm having one image called img1.jpg. So what will happen? In my card, I will get this image. Now you want to make it, okay, first let me just run it and check how it looks like. So it is looking like this. But I want to make this inside the card. So what you have to do? You have to use the one internal card and that class name is card image top. This is the class. Save and refresh. So you got this one. Below then, what you have to write here is, you write division class card body. Card body is nothing but bottom section where I want title and description. So again you divide into two types. First you write title. So I will take H3 title where I'll write suppose PR softwares as a heading. And you want this as a title. So what you need to do, inside your H3 you take class as card title. Meaning, so whatever my card is there, that should be come inside the title. And second, div class, I will take a, okay, here already a class I created, card body, so no need to create. Directly take the paragraph. In paragraph, you take class as a text because we want as card text. So take card text. And you write some content here. Content, what I can write, I will go to the Google. I will go to the PR Software's website. I copy some content from here. Come down. You are having courses section. You take otherwise any content, not a problem. Copy and paste it. I'm taking this content. Copy this and paste it. Now save and run. So see, it is looking like this. So guys, my zoom width is more. That's why it is looking very good. But actual size is this. Okay. But now you will say, sir, I don't want one. I want here 3 or 4 in a row. So first we'll write step-by-step process, observe very carefully. Because this entire concept what I wrote, I will copy div to div and I will delete first. Okay. I want this content inside the container. So you create one class and give the class name as container. After writing, I deleted guys so that I can show you everything. Container, right? I copied that. Okay. Inside that I want the row, because in a row I want to create that one. Now in the row guys, how many you want? You want 3, 4, that you should decide. I told 3. So you know that column size will be what? 4. So column MD 4. Because in one row if you want 3, it means how many you have to take it? 4. So here what you do? You write here comment. What is you have to write to comment? Section start. And here you write section in, so that when you will copy paste next time, you will not have any doubts. Section in. So guys, those who are practicing, first up to here you write properly. Okay. Now that copy content is there, you just paste it whatever we wrote previously. Now what will happen guys? This start and end, why I wrote, because I can copy paste easily. Okay. So once again I want how many times? 3 times. So 1 time, below paste it 2 times, 1 more time, 3 times. Save and run. Okay, something went wrong because one after another is coming. So I think my div got closed somewhere. Let me cross check it. Okay, I do not give here column MD4. That mistake is dash didn't come. So because of that new line. So side by side it is come. If you want 4, you can add one more. If you want 5, you can add one more. So like this you can do it. But here, sir, you will say, sir, I want to keep a title. What I want to keep a title for this everything. So again, what you do, you come to your row. Where is your row? Here row is there. Just above the row, you create one more row called row only. You will write here one title. What title I want? Suppose I want my services is my title. And you take here class text center. So my services we got. Everybody able to understand? So if you are having more than 3 services, so now it is more easy. This row is there guys. This entire row you can copy and paste it one more time if you want 2 times this same thing. So my row is ending here. Okay. Copy this row and paste it one more time. So 3 plus 3, 6, 6. If you want little space here between 2 rows. So where your row is started, there first you go. So my row is started here. You come here, you write style margin top around 50 pixel I want it. So see, now it is got separate. So this is you can consider as service. Now you change one by one content to one by one you go to this particular card and you can change it this content. All of you able to understand this? Okay. Now one more thing. Sir, you will say, sir, before this printing this concept, I want to add one box with some content about my company. I want to add some data about my company. So how can I use? So here one more concept is there. At the down if you come, let me go to the cart. I will show you first. I want to give, otherwise do one thing. Let me create it directly. What I want here is, come to your first row. This is your row. No? You come here. What you do here is, in this row, first I want title as my services. And then below I want some matter of that one. And below that I wanted services. So what I will do guys, this is the separate row. Don't get confused. If you are having any confusion, you can write here. I told you, comment always write. It is a good practice. I will write here, first row. To copy and paste it, this is first row completed. First row complete. Now what I want title, so I will remove everything. I will write manual. Again, I will create card only. Card is very important guys for us now. Class card. In card, we need 2 things now. Card header and card body. So let me take one more thing. Div class card header. This is header. Div class card body. Okay. So whatever we are using, guys, you can use on the multiple pages also this concept. So in my card, first I took container inside that row, inside that card. Card is having two parts, header and body. What is the header do you want? Suppose header, just now we have seen. What header we wrote there? H3 class as text center. And here we want suppose my services. Okay. And in the body, you want to give some paragraph. So I will write paragraph. For paragraph, again class, I told you, we can write card text, nothing but text format we want it. And here you copy some content from the website. So go to the website, copy some concept. And I will paste it 2 times so that content will be more. 2 times I pasted. Okay, let us run. Check now. My services, I got it. Below that, I got content. Below that, I am getting services. This is. Are you able to understand? But what is happening, guys, here is this is getting attached to this one. So what you have to write again? Margin 5 pixel, I will write outside. So let us come here. Your outer row, which is the row? This is the first row. Right here, style, margin, bottom. Bottom is below margin 10 pixels so that it will not attach. Save and refresh. See, attaches. This spaces, guys, you can adjust by using the margin and padding. Now see my services page, we got it. Text, we got it. Below that, this card services. Everybody able to understand? So now menu bar already you are aware. You can add the menu bar and below this beautiful page you get. So this page is basically for services, about us. You can create this page. Any doubts, guys, here? If you want to add the button, like some people will tell me, sir, how to add the button to my particular page here. If you want to add, then that is not a big deal. If you want to add for all, that is also not a problem. Go to your program. Here, suppose example, below this text, I want to add for all the card body, whatever the things are there. There I want to add the button. So I will write a href hyperlink, close a. Suppose I will write click to see more. Something you are writing. Click to see more. And hash means same page redirect. What do you have to write here? Class name, button, button primary. Button primary means what? Color. Already I shown you color combination. Their primary color it will be used. Refresh it. Now see you will get one button. Color, suppose example you want the green. So instead of primary, what you can change? Success. So whatever the color we used previously, same color you can use it. Success. Okay, so like this, if you want everywhere, you can copy paste these things. Is it correct, everyone? Any doubts you are having? So everybody practice this. If you feel any doubts, we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for watching.